Hi, this is Jack with Rainbow Inkjet. In this video, we're going to show you how we operate Maintop RIP software. It's a very commonly used software. If you have a Chinese inkjet printer like UV flatbed printer or DTP printer, and in this video, we're going to show you how we process a picture, and we're going to go through the main functions of the software. So after we open the software, we make sure your Get dongle is plugged in. And we click File, click New, and we need to set up a canvas. Here we can change the canvas size. Here we don't really need to change it. Here we have 4:0. Make sure they are 4:0 in spacing. We don't change the canvas size because they are. We can change it later. Click OK. We have a blank canvas here. Then we need to import a picture. How do we do that? Here is a button, import picture. Here is import text. We don't use it. This software, we use it to process picture into the PRN format, and we don't do anything related to picture editing. So we don't use the import text or any functions here. These are picture editing function. So, and we click here, import picture here. We can select the picture that we have prepared, that is being processed by the Photoshop or Illustrator. Here we have a window import picture setting. We have 4 of them. Off, adjust the picture size. If we select off, it will not change the size of the canvas. If we select adjust the picture size, it will adjust the canvas size to the picture size. It will be the same. Designate width. We can change the width of the canvas, but not the height. Designate height. It will change the height. We can change the height of the canvas, but not width. Usually we use this one or this one. And we can change the canvas size later, so I'll choose off, click OK. Then we have a picture here. There are a few tips that you might want to know to operate this software easier. For example, if we press Control and scroll up and down, we can zoom in and zoom out. If we zoom in too much and can't find where we're at, we can click here, fitting window, get back to where we're at. Or we can click here, fitting window, same function. Or if we press Alt, scroll up and down, it will be like this. If we press Alt and drag the picture, and then we will have a copy. If you're familiar with Adobe software, you'll be familiar with this kind of operation. It's pretty easy, just needs some get used to. So now we have a picture in the canvas. We need to change the size of it. How do we do that? Right click the picture and click Frame Attribution. Here we can change the size. For example, we change it to 50mm in width, and we do not want to change the proportion. How do we do that? Constrain proportion. And we have a figure calculated here. And click OK. It will be in the size that we want. And let's make multiple copies of this picture. We press Alt or Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. We can copy and paste. We have 3 of them. Now, we can select all or right-click the blank part of the software and select all. So how do we align them? Let's look at this bar. This is undo, this is redo. It's pretty straightforward. Cut, paste, cut, copy, and paste. Bring to front. If we have multiple pieces of multiple layers of pictures, we can use these functions. Here's the panel that we use quite frequently, and here are 6 functions that we need to know. Left alignment, top alignment, horizontally custom space. We can set the space here, and vertically custom space. This is horizontally centering page and vertically centering page. So let's first click left alignment, then top alignment, and we want 5mm spacing between each of them. And we click here, input 5, and click here. They will have 5mm spacing. What if we want 6 of them in this A4 canvas? We can group the 3 of them, make them one picture, and Control C, Control V. Then we will have 2 pictures overlapping, and here we can right click, select all, and we can adjust the vertical spacing, and we want 3mm spacing. We input 3 and click vertically custom space, and they will spread like this. Then this here we have 3mm spacing, here we have 5mm spacing. Then we click group. We will have it grouped together as one picture. And here's a function, show metric panel. It will show the coordinate and the size of the picture. So what we need to do, we need to input 0 here, input 0 here, and press enter. It will be at the upper left corner of the canvas. Alright, then we need to adjust the size of the canvas to the picture size. They need to be the same. How do we do that? We click File, Page, Setup. And we can change the size of the canvas here. They need to be the same, so 160 219.6. The size of the canvas needs to be bigger than the size of the picture. Click OK. Then we will have it set up. Then we need to output. So click here, print. And we will have this window pop up. Properties, we need to check the resolution. It needs to be the same as print media, 720 by 2080. And we need to click auto set paper. We need to click it, make sure the size of the canvas is the size of the picture. So we can see here. Click OK. There's a white ink setting. We don't need to change it. After the installation, our technician will set up the software for you. This spot color is white. This spot color is varnish. White is at the bottom. Varnish is a cover. So click OK. OK. And print a file. And we can name the file as whatever you want and save. And it will do its job. Then we will have this picture set up. Alright, I hope this tutorial is clear for you, and if you have any questions, you can consult our technicians and service manager so they can help you. And this may not apply to other printers. This is just for reference for our Rainbow Inkjet users. So yeah, see you in the next video.